Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data. In this video, we're going to look at how you can report on AI traffic in Google Analytics 4. This includes reporting on ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Copilot, and more. Being able to understand your AI traffic in Google Analytics is really useful. It means you can see how many people find your website using AI, which pages they land on, and if your AI traffic is engaged and if it's driving conversions. I'll walk you through two ways to set things up in Google Analytics. We will cover how to configure a dedicated channel group to use in your reports, and I will also show you quick ways to report on AI traffic using filters. So you can use one of these options or both, depending on what you want to see in your reports. Okay, let's get started. Let's head to Google Analytics. We're going to begin by covering how you can use filters in exploration reports and standard reports to view AI traffic. Let's navigate to Explore. Now let's create a new blank report. Let's name the report AI Traffic. Now let's click the plus sign next to Dimensions. And let's search for Session Source. Let's enable this. And now let's click Confirm. Now let's click the plus sign next to Metrics. Let's search for and select Sessions. Let's also search for and select Engagement Rate. And let's also search for and select Active Users. Now let's click Confirm. Next, we can add the dimension and metrics to our report. To do this, let's double-click the dimension. And let's double-click the metrics. We can now see all of the sources people use to find our website, but we only want to see our AI traffic. So in the second column, let's scroll down. And let's add a filter. We choose Session Source for our filter. And for the matching, let's choose Matches Regex. Now we can enter a regular expression so that the report only includes our AI traffic. And let's click Apply. We can now see all of the AI traffic in our exploration report. This shows us the exact AI tools sending traffic to our website. And I've included the regular expression I've used in the description below this video, so you can copy and paste it straight into your report. Now that we've covered the steps to create an exploration report for our AI traffic, let's look at how we can apply similar steps to a standard report to see the same traffic. To complete the steps we're about to cover, you will need editor or administrator permission for the Google Analytics property. If you don't have the correct level of permission, you'll need to find someone who does to complete these steps. Let's navigate to Reports. And since we have the correct level of permission for this property, we can see Library at the bottom of the menu on the left. Let's select this. Now let's click Create New Report and choose Create Detail Report. Let's scroll down and select the Traffic Acquisition Report template. Let's click Dimensions on the right and let's make Session Source the default dimension and click Apply. Next, we click Add Filter. Let's search for and select Session Source. For the match type, let's choose Matches Regex. And let's enter the same regular expression we used when we created the exploration report. Again, you can find this in the description below this video. You can now click Apply, save your new report, and add it to your reporting menu. So you can apply filters to standard reports and exploration reports to view your AI traffic. This is a great option for more granular reporting. Apart from adjusting what's included in your reports, you can also set up a custom channel group that includes your AI traffic. This lets you perform top-level analysis like you can do with the default channel group. To set up a custom channel group, let's navigate to Admin. Now let's select Data Display and choose Channel Groups. We can see the default channel group that is pre-configured for our property. Let's select the 3 vertical dots and copy the default channel group. Let's name the channel group Default and AI Chatbots. Now let's click Add New Channel. Let's name the channel AI Chatbots. And click Add Condition Group. We need to select Source. Click Add a Condition, and let's select Match as regex. Let's add our regular expression, and let's click Apply. We can now save our new AI Chatbots channel. Next, we have an important step we need to complete. We need to ensure that the new AI Chatbots channel comes before the referrals channel. If we don't do this, then our AI traffic will continue to be classified as referral traffic. To do this, we click Reorder. Now let's move our AI Chatbots channel so it comes before the referral channel. Now we can click Apply. And we can save our channel group. We can now use this channel group to see all of our AI traffic grouped together at a top level. You'll be able to find this channel in the standard reports and the exploration reports. Let's navigate to Reports. Select Acquisition, and then Traffic Acquisition. Now we can select the default dimension above the table and change this to our new Default and AI Chatbots channel. This will show you all of your channels, including the AI Chatbots channel we just created. Let me know how you go. Let me know in the comments if you're using exploration reports, adjusting the standard reports, or you've set up a channel group. I'd love to know. And try customizing your reports further. For example, you could combine your channel group or session source with the landing page dimension to see the first pages people view. If you found this video helpful, please like it so I know to make more videos like this one. And to stay up to date with my latest Google Analytics tutorials, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.